Ever heard of that friend who turned $100 into a Bitcoin fortune? Yeah, the cryptocurrency craze is real, and it's got everyone wondering, is this the future of money? If you're intrigued but new to the game, you're probably looking for a safe and easy way to get started. That's where platforms like Wealthsimple come in. But before you dive headfirst into the crypto pool with Wealthsimple, there are a few things you need to consider. So, is it bad to buy crypto on Wealthsimple? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on your needs and what you're looking for in a crypto platform. Let's take a deep dive into Wealthsimple Crypto, explore its pros and cons, and see if it's the right fit for you. Security first, why it matters. Alright, imagine this. You finally take the plunge, invest in some crypto, and watch your portfolio climb steadily. Feels pretty good, right? But then, disaster strikes. Hackers breach the platform, and your hard-earned crypto vanishes into thin air. Yikes! In the wild west of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. You wouldn't store your life savings under your mattress, so why would you trust just any platform with your digital assets? Here's the good news. Wealthsimple boasts being the first regulated crypto trading platform in Canada. That means they gotta play by the rules set by the government, which translates to stricter security measures to protect your crypto. They also partner with reputable custodians like Coinbase Custody, who use secure cold storage solutions to keep your coins safe from online threats. Trading ease, convenience with caveats. Wealthsimple positions itself as a user-friendly platform, perfect for crypto beginners. Their interface is clean and straightforward, making buying and selling crypto a breeze. No complex charts or overwhelming jargon to decipher. For someone just starting out, that's a big plus. However, there's a flip side to this simplicity. Wealthsimple currently offers a limited selection of cryptocurrencies compared to some hardcore crypto exchanges. So, if you're an experienced trader looking for a wider range of altcoins, Wealthsimple might feel a bit restrictive. Fees. How much does it cost to play the game? Transaction fees are a fact of life in the crypto world, and Wealthsimple is no exception. Their fees are built into the quoted price, which means you won't see a separate transaction fee tacked on at checkout. This can be convenient, but it also makes it a little trickier to compare their rates directly with other platforms. Here's a heads up, Wealthsimple's fees tend to be slightly higher than some other crypto exchanges. But, as with everything, there's a trade-off. The added security and user-friendly platform might be worth the slightly higher cost for some users. The verdict, is Wealthsimple your crypto ally? Alright, so we've unpacked the good, the not so good, and the fees of buying crypto on Wealthsimple. But the ultimate question remains, is it the right platform for you? If you're a crypto newbie looking for a safe and easy way to get started, Wealthsimple ticks a lot of boxes. Their regulated platform, user-friendly interface, and secure storage solutions make it a great option for beginners. However, if you're a seasoned crypto trader craving a wider variety of coins and potentially lower fees, you might want to explore other crypto exchanges. Remember, crypto is a volatile market. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.